Welcome to Thready, the subscription box for kids who love to sew. I am Jess, your child's instructor for the projects they'll be receiving in the mail. I want you to know how excited I am about teaching children to sew, and for the next few minutes, I want to share a special message with you as parents. First off, thank you for signing your child up for this program. It is our hope here at My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop that we can help instill a love for all things handmade and teach important skills to a younger generation in hopes that they will be at the start of something they will enjoy for years to come. My goal is to help your child not only like the projects they are making, but love the process of creating something special and to feel successful along the way. I know there is nothing better than the feeling that comes when you take a step back and say, wow, I made that. Now, there are a few important things I'd like to cover with you as parents as we prepare your child for what is coming up through Thready. First off, how does this all work? Well, it's pretty simple actually. Each quarter of the year, January, April, July, and October, your child will receive his or her own Thready box. Included in the box will be 3 different projects, all centered around one theme. For example, a box might have the theme Sweet Dreams. In this box, we'll be making a tooth fairy pillow, a sleeping bag for their favorite stuffed animal, and a bedtime bookmark. Some of the smaller projects will actually even include more than one kit. For example, on bedtime bookmark, we'll include several kits so they can have fun not only practicing their skills, but they might even gain the confidence to make more than one and give to a friend or family member. Now, wouldn't that be something? All boxes are gender neutral. We welcome all boys and girls who want to sew to just go for it. So we have tried our very best to keep that in mind when designing our projects for the Thready box. Each child's box will also contain an activity sheet in which we encourage you as parents to have your child sit at the machine and to practice their skills, but this time without thread, needle only. Please show your child where to start on the activity sheet as outlined and how to follow the lines. It will be important to also show them how to pivot at each point. Don't worry, I'll go over this all in a lesson as well. But we hope this will help them to build their skills in staying on a line and following it. When they are finished, we encourage them to turn their paper over, hold toward a light, and see the picture they just created with the open holes. I have a feeling they just may squeal with delight. Finally, each box will also include a special surprise gift from us. Pretty fun, right? To view the video lessons, please log into our online education platform found at www.mgqsplus.com. By using your login credentials you had registered your email with, you'll see these videos posted for each subscription box. Simply click to watch the coordinating videos. I invite you to perhaps view the video once on your own before sitting down with your child to sew. That way, you'll have a better overall understanding of what is about to take place. You're welcome to pause the video at any time. Videos are yours forever and can be viewed at any time, 24/7. It's really that easy. Of course, if you have any questions at all along the way, feel free to email me at jessica@mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com. Of course, I'd love to see photos of your child's progress along the way. Have fun. In my next video to parents, I'd like to share a few safety items to keep in mind when sitting your child up next to the machine. See you in the next video.